What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best magnetic drill press on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Jansy Slugger. The Jansy Slugger JHM series by Fine sets the standard for professional-grade annular cutters. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, these cutters feature enhanced cutting geometry and premium M2 high-speed steel construction. Engineered for longevity and superior performance, they outshine standard cutters and ensure long-lasting durability. Even in the most demanding drilling applications, experience unparalleled drilling performance with the Jansy Slugger JHM series. Equipped with multiple cutting edges, these annular cutters effortlessly create accurate, burr-free holes, eliminating the need for time-consuming secondary operations such as pre-drilling and reaming. From metal fabrication to construction projects, expect high-quality results that exceed expectations with every use. The Jansy Slugger JHM series includes a comprehensive set of 11 HSS cutters, ranging from 7/16 to January 1, 16 diameters, ensuring versatility for a wide range of drilling tasks. Number 4. VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press. With a robust 1400W motor, the VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press offers unparalleled drilling performance. Boasting a 2-inch boring diameter and a variable speed range of 0 to 810 RPM, this drill delivers consistent power to bore through even the toughest materials with ease. Whether you're working on steel, metal, or other rigid surfaces, expect nothing short of exceptional drilling efficiency. The electromagnetic base of the VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press ensures stability and precision during operation. With a force of 2922 lbf/13,000 N, this drill press firmly anchors itself to any surface, preventing movement and ensuring accuracy throughout the drilling process. Say goodbye to frustrating inconsistencies and hello to uninterrupted productivity. Equipped with a quick-release arbor, the VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press allows for seamless bit changes in just 1 second, without the need for additional tools. Number 3. Mophorn 1200W Magnetic Drill Press. Equipped with a formidable 1200W motor operating at 110V and 50 Hz, the Mophorn Magnetic Drill Press offers unmatched power and performance for your drilling needs. With a maximum drilling diameter of 23 mm (0.9 inches) and a drilling range from 1.5 to 23 mm (0.06 to 0.9 inches), coupled with a rapid 500 RPM, this drill press effortlessly handles various materials with precision and efficiency. Experience superior magnetic adhesion with the Mophorn Magnetic Drill Press. Boasting a maximum magnetic force of 13,000 N, 2,920 pounds. This strong magnetic grip ensures stability and accuracy during drilling, allowing you to tackle heavy-duty industrial and steel fabrication tasks with confidence and precision. Number 2. Evolution Power Tools EVOMAG 42. The Evolution Power Tools boasts a maximum rotational speed of 450 RPM, powered by a robust 120-volt motor with a 10 amperage rating. With a 3/4 diameter shank compatible with most standard annular cutter styles, this magnetic drilling system offers unparalleled versatility and compatibility for a wide range of drilling applications. Equipped with a chuck-in adapter, the tool provides added convenience and value by accommodating twist drills up to 1/2 in diameter. Additionally, it boasts an impressive 1 5/8 inch cutter capacity, ensuring that you have the versatility to tackle various drilling tasks with ease and precision. This tool features a detachable, integrated coolant system designed to significantly increase the lifespan of your drill bits and cutters. By effectively dissipating heat and lubricating the cutting surface, this innovative system ensures consistent performance and durability, even during prolonged use. Fluid, sold separately, offers added convenience and longevity to your drilling operations. From bridge and railway construction to steel framework assembly, the EVOMAG 42 is an indispensable tool for on-site use. Its compact and portable design, complete with a carry case, ensures easy transportation and maneuverability, even in tight or awkward workspaces. Number 1. DeWalt DWE1622K Magnetic Drill P Number 1. DeWalt DWE1622K Magnetic Drill Press. The DeWalt boasts a robust 10-amp motor coupled with 2 speed settings, offering versatility and optimal performance for a variety of drilling tasks. With a no-load speed of 304.50 RPM, this magnetic drill press effortlessly powers through even the toughest materials with ease and precision.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.